There's Super Nintendo World, everybody. Hi, Toad. Wow, it's great meeting you. Nice to meet you. Say, let's ready for the pose. Is it okay to hug? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Hello, Your Highness. Long time no see. Long time no see.
You look spectacular.
Thank you so much. Oh, let's ready for the pose. See, I played. Okay, I played that game called Princess Peach Showtime, and it was amazing. And I defeated Madden Great. Okay, another hug.
Well, thank you for being my friend.
Anytime, Your Highness. I'll keep playing Princess Peach Showtime. My favorite costume is Mighty Peach back then.
Yay!
I know you appreciate it. Hi, have a good day. Bye.
I hope to see you again soon.
Hi. Hi, Mario. Hi, Luigi. Long time no see.
Oh, look at you.
Say, let's do the pose. Here we go. Woohoo!
1, 2, 3 photos.
Woohoo! Okay, another hug. Your turn, Luigi. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Well, I was done meeting the characters of Super Mario characters. You know, I was about to say Super Nintendo World because it may look like Super Mario World, but it's actually Super Nintendo World, in case I have to correct myself. Now I'm going to go back to Woody and Winnie to see how they're doing. It's like I love checking on my family. You know, I'm family oriented after all. Wynonna Woodpecker, who is me that loves family. So, every time I see Woody Woodpecker, I'm going to be there for him one way or another, and even every step of my way. Of course, Winnie too, and my Woodpecker families, and my friends too. Now, let's go see Woody and Winnie doing. Come on. Oh, there's Uncle Woody now.
Amazing.
Oh. Oh. Hi, Woody. Hi, Winnie. I'm back from Super Nintendo World. It was amazing and so much fun. And I meet Mario, Luigi, Toad, and Princess Peach. They were so friendly, and I loved them all. Say, are you ready to shake the tail feather? Of course I got a tail. Okay, let's shake the tail feather. It's fun shaking tail, you know. Come on and let me see, shake your tail feather, twist and shake it, baby. It's a song called Shake Your Tail Feather. It's my favorite song, especially I love shaking my tail. Say, let's ready for the pose. Okay? Ready or not, here we come the pose. That was so much fun. Oh, the hug. Oh, you too. And now the group hugs. I love group hugs. Oh, thank you. I'll have a good time. I'm gonna find Scooby and the others. Oh, Winnie, if I meet you for the third time, I'm gonna change my skirt into the pink one that looks like yours. Yes. Right. Oh, I'll have a good time. It's great to see how you two doing. You two are doing well, swell, well. Alright. Yeah. Okay, and now the goodbye hugs before I go. Goodbye hugs can be important. Alright, I'll see you later. Hi, Hello Kitty. Wow, lovely pink dress you're wearing. And I love lots of Sanrio patterns on it. Ready for the hug? Oh, it's a selfie. Oh, it's a peekaboo. Another hug. Thanks. Oh. Thanks. It was so sweet to see you again. Hey, have a good time. Oh, by the way, I meet Woody and Winnie over there. They were happy to see me. Especially we missed each other for 6 years. I know what it's like being apart from the family and then you come back. Yep, family reunion can't be sweet. Hey, and now the goodbye hugs. Bye, Hello Kitty. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Look at Uncle Woody and Aunt Winnie. Guys, it's my first time laughing like this. Just, than my usual woodpecker laugh. Gosh, those people sure miss Uncle Woody and Aunt Winnie. They certainly missed them. So, I'm right here in this line to meet Scooby Doo in the game, like I said earlier. Let's go.
Hello there.
Velma? Freddy? Scooby? Saggy? Daphne? God, it's a long time no see. I haven't seen you 6 years.
I know, it's been a little while.
I missed you.
I missed you too. What was it? Was it Wynonna Woodpecker?
Wynonna Woodpecker.
Wynonna Woodpecker. When you're all dressed for the occasion.
Right, thanks. I met Uncle Woody and Winnie there. They missed me.
Yeah, we were very excited to see your fellow woodpeckers hanging out with us again.
Oh, and Daphne, I thought you noticed I got a haircut. Let's trim it a little shorter.
It looks beautiful and so shiny. What kind of product do you use?
Who knows? Some sort of head and shoulder.
Oh, I'll have to check.
Hi. Let's say, are you ready for the pose?
Yeah.
Do you want us to pose for a
Oh,
picture?
it's over there.
Oh,
It's a camera. Oh, where's Daphne?
Oh, there's me. Oh, I see myself. Hello.
Here, Daphne, you can
Oh,
come
there's
on.
Daphne.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, perhaps I could get down a bit.
Hollywood.
Oh, did you want us to pose for a photo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much. And now the hug.
Come here.
You too, friend.
It's always
Have a good
to see
afternoon.
you, Wynonna. We
Of course.
missed you very much.
I know. I missed you
And I'm sure
too.
Woody and Winnie missed you too.
Of course they do.
Unfortunately, we have not solved all the monster problems.
Oh, and Shaggy
There's still
too.
some walking around out there.
So keep those eyes peeled, okay?
Lovely
you.
to see you. Have a great
Have a good time. I'm going to continue my adventure.
All right.
Especially, I'll have to watch out for Buzz Buzzard. He is Woody Woodpecker's arch nemesis.
Oh, Twinkies.
Yeah.
We'll keep an eye out.
I know. Have a good day. I gotta fly. Bye.
Oh.